Hey there, folks. President Emerson Mnangagwa, leader of the ZANU-PF, made some pretty bold commitments. He expressed his gratitude to the Zimbabwean military for their unwavering loyalty and service. You see, Mnangagwa pledged to provide housing and car loans to support them during these challenging economic times. He also emphasized the crucial role of a strong and adaptable military in combating terrorism and cross-border crime. Now, Mnangagwa didn't stop there. He drew parallels to Zimbabwe's fight for liberation, highlighting the country's commitment to upholding the rights and freedoms of its citizens. He praised the military for their professionalism and resilience, even in the face of Western sanctions. Mnangagwa announced plans to improve their overall well-being, including expanding the transport fleet, constructing more housing units, and upgrading military health facilities. Sounds impressive, right? But here's where it gets interesting. Political analysts are raising their eyebrows. They suggest these promises might just be a tactic to appease growing discontent within the military. Similar pledges have been made in the past, only to evaporate into thin air. Some view these pronouncements as a calculated attempt to maintain the military's support, which is crucial for Mnangagwa's grip on power. Despite the skepticism, Mnangagwa emphasized the military's pivotal role in achieving Vision 2030 and national development. He reiterated his commitment to improving their welfare under his leadership. His praise and promises seem like an effort to ensure the military's continued loyalty. But will these promises address the real concerns of the military? Only time will tell. Zooming out a bit, we see Mnangagwa's statements come at a time of heightened political tension in Zimbabwe. The country is grappling with economic instability, social unrest, and growing calls for political reform. The military, a powerful force in Zimbabwean politics, plays a crucial role in maintaining order and stability. Mnangagwa's efforts to secure their loyalty are seen as vital for his hold on power. By addressing their concerns and promising improvements to their welfare, he aims to keep their support amidst growing opposition and discontent. The international community is closely watching these developments. Concerns about human rights abuses and the erosion of democratic principles have led to sanctions and condemnation from Western nations. Mnangagwa's handling of the military and his response to the country's challenges will have significant implications for Zimbabwe's relationship with the rest of the world. So, what do you think? Are Mnangagwa's pledges genuine steps toward improving the military's welfare, or are they just empty promises to keep his power intact? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on global politics. Stay informed and see you next time.